We have the drought situation affecting parts of the country. And as you may be aware, the cabinet authorized the release of 4.1 billion. That is 2 billion every 2 weeks. And the counties that are on high alarm are only 4: Mandera, Wajir, Kwale, and Kilifi. And the other 12 counties are actually on the alert stage. However, as earlier forecasted by the Kenya Meteorological Department, most of parts of the country received rainfall actually last night. This development is encouraging news, particularly for our farmers, and is expected to ease drought conditions in several affected areas. Sunny intervals are expected over most parts of the country this week. However, rainfall is expected to continue over parts of the highlands east and west of Rift Valley and the southeastern lowlands. Strong southeasterly winds above 25 knots are expected in Turkana and Marsabit counties. This is very good news. The government continues to demonstrate preparedness and steady progress in the implementation of the Long Range 2026 programs. As of Friday, 13th February 2026, a total of 6,383,512 farmers had been successfully onboarded onto the farmers database following the national registration exercise, ensuring broad-based access to subsidized farm inputs.